There's a quick video of my new DiamondBack SE Tonneau cover that I ordered for my 23 Honda Ridgeline. I couldn't find any videos on YouTube depicting this tonneau cover on a Honda Ridgeline, so I'll do a quick video showing what it looks like. I was kind of worried that it came all the way from the East Coast to the West Coast, but it came pretty secured on a pallet and it looks pretty solid. At the end of the video, I'll go over what it cost and how long it took to deliver. I'm not going to go over any install videos for the DiamondBack SE cover. There are a lot of those on YouTube. For the Honda Ridgeline though, I noticed that there is on the side bed rails, there is a little gap here, and at the front, I'm just going to probably plug those off and try to make it a little more waterproof. We'll see how it goes. So here's my DiamondBack SE cover on my 23 Honda Ridgeline. Looks amazing. Installation was very straightforward. Instructions were well written. If you run into any issues, you just go on YouTube. The quality of the workmanship is amazing. I looked at the welds, I looked at the spray-on application, and it was perfect. With my order, I also ordered some extra anchors right here, and I'm thinking of adding 2 to the back on either side. Amazing quality. They did a spot-on job. Now for pricing, this is what I paid for it. So I paid $2,943 Canadian. If you buy a Honda OEM cover, those run $2,700 plus taxes, so the price is comparable. But with the DiamondBack, you get a cover that's more robust, stronger, and more versatile for basically the same money. From the time I ordered my cover till the time I actually received it at my door was exactly 32 days. And it's my understanding that with DiamondBack on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, that's the only time that they'll have a sale. If you spend over $2,000, you save $200. If you spend $2,500, you save $300. And if you spend $3,000, you'll save $400. So with the conversion, my discount was $284 Canadian. I'm super happy with the cover, and I'm glad I went with this decision. I did have a Honda OEM cover, which I replaced with this DiamondBack, and I'm super pleased with it.